guys, today we're full of energy and enthusiasm. We are going to dismantle the 2.5 T4 transporter, take the engine and gearbox out to go in my car transporter, which I've been swearing for a long time I'm going to do. Because now I need to do it, because I need it. Right, so I've already took the front off. No doubt you all know how to do that. That was really quite simple. It just fell off on its own. And what we're going to try and do is the hard bit, which are the drive shafts, which are always fine, and also the way the engine hangs. So if anyone ever does one of these, be warned, they're a nightmare, because the engine goes different directions, gearbox hangs one way, engine hangs the other, whole thing wobbles about, fight to get it out, but we will be doing it. So the next time you see me, you will see this on the floor there, and hopefully the other one will be in here having its engine removed. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you like, keep liking. If you like, subscribe. And let's see if we can get this one finished, because the markers has took a little back seat. Thank you. What's it doing? What's it called? Down or up?
No, don't go down.
Up.
No, that'll don't come up anymore because the engine might hit it. There you go. Right.
Good. Ah! Houston, we have removal. Sorry about that. Look at this then, Mr. Camera. Look at that, eh? There you go. One all the old engine out of the killer. Also, you can't sit on the sub because of that stupid pickup thing it's got.